Good night. Night, Steph.
Good night. Oh, he's gonna hatch soon. Oh, he's doing it again. Oh, come on, come on. Go knock on his door. You should come. Look here. Oh! Oh! Hey! You did it. He had his head poking out in there, but there wasn't really space for him to squeeze out of the egg, so we moved him out of that container.
Oh, okay. I like it. It's out.
He's
Done.
He's actually a lot fluffier and cuter than I thought he would be. I thought he was gonna be like all skin.
Saw you first?
I don't know. Did you put him here?
Can you see? It looks like you can see. Hey!
Did you see him already?
His eyes are closed.
Resisting the urge to pet.
Let him finish getting out first.
Probably give him a while out before we spend too much time
Probably.
touching him.
I wonder if he should eat immediately.
I mean, he's kind of
sure.
already been out, and look at that mess.
Oh.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Like the abominable snowman.
Oh yeah.
The macaroni.
He's
From,
coming out.
I mean, I know it's outside of this, but Monsters Inc. is how I remember it. Dad, you can feed me.
Why is he so big?
He's a seagull.
You did this.
I hope it was worth it. I hope it lives.
No, this is great.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's really cool looking.
He's so tired. He's been trying to hatch for like 4 days.
Yeah.
Pathetic little thing. I like this book.
There you go, buddy. Yeah.
Good.
Good
Good
boy.
birdie. Cat food is so delicious.
What's
What's on the label?
Avoderm grain-free all life stages cat food, sardine, shrimp, and crab entree in gravy.
How does that sound? I think he approves.
He's
He likes it.
He's still getting his beak coordinated.
Oh,
Sometimes
he's
he
eating the
misses.
fabric.
Oh, don't eat that, buddy. Here, I'll give you some more. Well, these chunks are too big. Well, this is mostly gravy, but it should be fish-flavored gravy.
You got it. I'm glad it's thick.
Oh,
I think
yum.
that helps him.
Oh, yum. Here, you spilled some. I might need to chop this up. Oh, there's a piece. Here, try this. Try this.
I feel like we could put this on YouTube. Feeding a baby seagull.
Try this, buddy. Oh, you dropped it. Well, actually, I dropped it.
Can we stop? Come on. Almost a good kitty. Good birdie here. His aim is not that great yet.
No. He goes for speed for some reason.
Probably because birds normally have siblings and they have to like get the food faster than the others.
That would make sense.
Here you go. I know what that's like. I have siblings. No, I'm serious. Here, bird, eat. That's right. It's like he heard me.
He's so cute and jerky.
Come on. Mmm, yummy slime. Cat food is just so good. Smells great. You can make it closer. Yeah, I made some delicious dal for dinner. Sorry we ate all of it.
That's fine.
The bird is eating.
It's great.
It's really fun. It's eating cat food.
Cat food?
Yeah.
No, that's not right.
We figured out how to... We figured out... So this is a sad song. It's a breakup song and he's feeling happy.
Oh,
I think it's off the list.
okay.
It's catchy, but it's so sad. Sorry, I have to take it off because it's too sad.
That's fine.
It's like he's happy.
He thinks we have food. This is Gus's first time swimming.
Good boy, Gus. Look, you can cross it. Don't be afraid.
He
Oh,
is-
good boy.
Is today Monday?
Come here. Monday?
He is about 3 days old.
Come on, Gus. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Oh, poopy. Watch.
Look at these little feet.
He swims just great. He floats.
yeah.
He's a natural.
I wonder if he could learn to eat fish out of the water. Probably when he's older. He just
good
doesn't
at
get
it.
those
He's
clear
a natural.
plastic sides.
Yeah. Look at his feet. Wow. He might get tired. You know, he's only a few days old. I don't want him to like tread water forever. He's gonna be cute. Watch him flap his feet off.
Oh, they're so dainty.
He's so cute. All right. Bye-bye. Go.
Gus just learned to eat out of a dish, which is going to be much more convenient for us all.
You got this. Eat it,
He's
Gus.
still getting the hang of it a little.
Oh, good boy. Oh, I'm so glad. So much better. Oh, you're such a good birdie. Such a good birdie.
He's getting smarter every day. Yesterday he couldn't figure it out. You only want to eat with my fingers there? You're so silly. You're so silly. This is the first time that Gus jumped in the water on his own volition. Just jumped right over the edge. And now he jumped right back out. Gus, flap your wings again. Gus, spread your wings out.